Tony, Tony's Tractor Adventure, sent me his conversion kit for allowing the MT125 to not have to take off one of these rear wheels every time I want to take on or off this bar to control the 3-point hitch arms. So it looks like he sent me these pins and the stabilizer bars here and some thread lock. So I'm going to have to watch his video again probably to see exactly how to put this together. I'm going to see about making this a lot easier for me to take on and off my backhoe and 3-point hitch arms without having to take off a wheel. I've been told you can usually get this post out with just taking off one of the wheels, but mine, it might be because of having to align. Maybe if I could loosen up the backhoe subframe and realign it with this bar, even when I take out the pins, I have to push it out. I can't pull it, so I have to take off both. I've had to take off both wheels to change off and put on the 3-point hitch arms. Because these stabilizer arms go on, and for that I need access to the whole par. So let's see, I'm going to take it out and see how Tony's conversion kit works. Well, hopefully that'll be the last time I take off the wheels for a long time. I got Tony's pins in here with the stabilizer rings here. My only issue, I had to clean up the paint to make it fit, and I think I may know why my original bar is so hard to get out. So what I was saying is that the my pin through here on the subframe backhoe was not aligned, and so I had to grind it out a little bit to get those pins in nicely, and that's why my bar wasn't sliding easily. But here it all is. I've used it a couple times now with my chipper. I can take on and off these arms. I can reattach the backhoe by just pulling the pins here and down here, and it slides. Those lower link arms slide right off, and this works great. Thank you very much, Tony.